Garlic is packed with vitamins and minerals like vitamin C, vitamin B6, and manganese. Parsley is packed with vitamins of C and K, as well as folate and iron. Dill is a great source of vitamins A and C, as well as minerals like calcium and iron. Dill also contains compounds that may have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Tahini is rich in vitamins and minerals like calcium, iron, and magnesium. It may support heart health, help with bone strength, and even contribute to a healthy immune system.